Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use the random library to create a small Python program. The program will ask user to guess a sum of random number. If the user guessed correct, we will bring congratulations, you pro. Otherwise, we will bring the answer XX. Let's play one more time. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will import the library in random so that we can use the function from this library. To get the random number, we will use randint from random, so we can write a random integer. We will specify the range of random number. Here we will get number from 1 to 20. Then we start in the letter A. We will store another number in letter B using the same technique. After we have two numbers, we will calculate the sum of them and store in letter C. Then we will ask the user input to guess the sum of number using the input. A and B here is integer, so we cannot concatenate the string and integer. So we will use str to pass the integer to the string so we can concatenate together. Then after we have user input, we will compare to the letter C. If they are true, we will bring congratulations, you are pro. Otherwise, we will bring the answer C. Let's say one more time. Okay, that's it. This is my first program using random library. Hope you enjoy my video, and then if you have one more question, just let me know and comment below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.